Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up Lapcare AC1200 Wi-Fi range extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, plug your Lapcare AC1200 extender into a power socket near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait until the power LED turns solid, usually takes about 30 to 60 seconds. Find the WPS button on your main Wi-Fi router. It's usually marked as WPS or has an icon with 2 arrows forming a circle. Press and hold the WPS button on the router for 2 to 3 seconds. The router's WPS LED will start blinking, indicating that it's ready to pair. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press the WPS button on your Lapcare AC1200 extender for about 2 to 3 seconds. The extender's WPS LED will begin blinking, showing that it's trying to connect. After a few moments, the signal/status LED on the extender should turn solid or green, which means the connection to the router is successful. If the LED is red or blinking, the extender is too far from the router. Move it closer and try again. Once successfully connected, unplug the extender and move it to a location between your router and the area with weak signal. Plug it in and wait for the status LED to turn solid again. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.